don't have control over results. I don't have control of whether I lose weight or not, but my job is to move my body every day, to eat higher proteins, to drink water. And you know how they say comparison is the thief of joy? Procrastination is the thief of joy. Welcome to another procrastination diaries. It's Sunday, 3:41. I didn't want to pick up this camera. I didn't want to record. I told myself I'll record, tomorrow, because I have like a planned video in my mind to do my monthly reflection and plan for February with you, which I could do another time. But I told myself, Sheila, you were supposed to record and upload this video today. You still haven't, but at least just record it and get it over with, okay? So I'm not uploading this video today. It's probably going to be up tomorrow, but I told myself, Sheila, get up. And if you're out there and you're procrastinating that workout, you're procrastinating picking up a camera, recording a video, procrastinating starting that diet you said you were going to start, or applying to that job, whatever it is, this is me encouraging you to get up and do one small thing. I know I keep encouraging you to do one small thing, but that one small thing is the fire that lights up the whole room. I don't know where I was going with that, but basically it's what you need to get you started. I haven't left my house in like 3 days. I think I was last out on Friday, and on Friday I was out for like 4 minutes. I went to the groceries and back, so it's been like since Wednesday I haven't really gone out, and today my body was feeling it, so I took a walk. It's so beautiful outside. You can tell like it's bright. Oh my goodness, I didn't charge my camera and I'm here yapping. Anyway, yeah, so it's Sunday. It's a reset day for me. I'm about to fold my clothes and clean my house, then catch up with you, okay? The whole point of this rant is, if you feel stuck and you're procrastinating, maybe all you need is that one walk. Like, go out, breathe some air, have some mental self-talk and reflection. Because when you're walking, I don't know about you, but I wear earphones. I find it hard to find music that I want to listen to in that moment, so I just wear them just to listen to my brain, basically, and just listen to your brain, see where it takes you. Mine brought me here to pick this camera up and start talking to you, do my laundry, do everything instead of procrastinating, and yeah, it was good for my soul. So whatever it is that you want to do, go outside, get some fresh air, breathe, move your body, and all the energy in your body is going to start moving, and you're going to start thinking straight because it's probably stagnant. Okay? Yalla. Right, love, so time check is 6:50. It looks very dark because it's dark, it's winter, so it gets dark really early. I cleaned up, did everything. My friend told me he's coming. I'm actually a little vexed. I let it go because I had stuff to do, but he called me and told me that I should get ready to go have tea, and then I dressed up so fast I was ready, and he's like, oh no, take your time, leave me alone. Anyway, I'm joking. I'm happy that didn't happen, because now I can record some behind the scenes of my good food project. They sent me this. I picked high protein meals, which is in line with my goals. We're going to do the whole monthly recap, but one thing I failed at the most is eating more protein. So when I got this partnership with Good Food, I was so excited because what I asked for was the high protein meals. Well, I got 2 high protein meals, and I'm going to tell you all about it as the week goes on. So now I have to vlog. But anyway, every time I vlog, I'm more productive. So a vlog is coming. I got, you know what? I'll show you what I got as the vlogs go on. But I'm so excited to try this. What is this? Halloumi. I even feel like I want to try it. You know what? I have no food for tonight. I swear I haven't cooked anything. I haven't prepared anything. I'm like, should we do one of these? Okay, let me show you what I got. Show me what you got, little mama. This is a protein boost Greek spice chicken with halloumi shit pan, bro. I love halloumi. I never buy it, so that's a good idea for me, because I'm like, things I never really try. And then the original recipe is pork sliders, but I asked for mine to be beef cheddar. Oh my god, beef cheddar burgers with caramelized onion mayo. How often do you buy halloumi at a good price for 2? Oh my goodness, I ordered for 2 meals. That means I have 4 meals. So 4 of my meals this week are gonna be high protein. I was going to wait to unbox this until tomorrow, but I was so worried about how it was going to hold. This is a whole... damn. Am I that dark that when I come closer you can't? Well, it's because of this light, but this ice would have definitely kept it longer if I wanted to, but who wants to do that, like when you just get fresh food? So I'm going to put this away. I just wanted to record like that opening, unboxing, and get that out of the way, and I think I'm going to start making recipes maybe tomorrow or the day after, but I know it's in my content plan, which I also sat down and did today, so I'm proud of myself. I'm going to take you through everything. Okay, on to the real business, my G's. Okay, so I took time to reflect on the last month. As you know, in the last reflection video, which was last week, I told you that I struggle with celebrating my wins. However, I'm also one of those people, when I have wins, I feel like the next week I take a little bit of a notch back. The way this week has gone, I've really relaxed. I wanted to beat myself up about the whole thing, but I'm like, why, Sheila? There are good weeks and bad weeks, and I'm not saying it was a bad week because I posted every day apart from yesterday. I did not apply to brands apart from Friday and Thursday, of which it wasn't that intentional. I just did it because I had to take it off my habit trackers. However, there are so many things I want to celebrate this month, and just because I told myself, again, I'm going to take time to really reflect on the things that I've done. I'm working on 6 aspects of my life: health and wellness, creating habits, career, but career goes hand in hand with finances and social life. So the reason why I'm not focusing a lot on finances and focusing on tracking my expenses and being mindful with them, as you saw in the previous video, is because it helps me learn my spending habits, and having a hold of your spending habits is the first step to getting a hold of your finances. Also, I'm doing content creation to better my finances, so I don't focus a lot on it. I'm focusing on the content creation because it's going to lead to the financial goal. So with content creation, I've been posting. However, I went through all the posts I had posted in the month of January. It's about 32 posts, and I looked at them and what they were giving. Were they good posts? Yes. Could I make a change? I've never actually sat down to look at my content and analyze it myself. I go on my page and channel another person, and I'm like, okay, who is this looking at it? So I did that, and I noticed there's some changes I need to make, which I took notes for. So for every video I took notes. Well, not all of them, some of them, like one of the videos, the sound was inconsistent. The other ones, I did tag brands about 3 times, so it wasn't as much as it should be. I've posted 32 videos and it's only one brand, Yves Rocher. And then one of the videos, the sound wasn't consistent because I use my mic. I need to be very mindful with that, because I need to see where I need to make changes, you know. And if you're a content creator going through the same, I encourage you to do this for yourself. I don't advertise my YouTube videos, and I don't market my journals enough. I don't sell enough, which, considering I'm not working full-time anymore, is something I need to look into, because I need to make money. Like, where is the money going to come from? Also, analyzing my finances on Friday helped a lot, because it gave me a chance to look at my different income streams, which we're going to talk about in another video. But then I noticed that some of them are zero. I'm like, damn, why are they zero? It's because I'm not creating content to lead there. Why is it that I'm so good at creating content for brands and not good at creating content for myself? So I had to look at that, and I considered that when I was going into my planning for content for next month, which I also did. I did a content plan for, well, not for the whole month, but at least for next week. I have 21 ideas of content. That's 3 pieces of content for 7 days. Will I upload all of them? No, but every one of the pieces of content I took time to think about it, to be like, okay, this is going to be a sales post, this is going to be a, a nurturing post, this is going to be a post to just bring people in and things like that. I've been posting a lot of everyone content, whereby it's a big pool, but I need to create some niche content, which I haven't been doing. The rest is not so bad. I just need to, when I'm making, yes, I do create content about my journal, but I'm just showcasing it, and I'm not telling people you can buy from me, you know. So I need to be very intentional with that kind of content that is going to encourage people to join my accountability group, content that's going to encourage people to buy from me. Like I told you, one of my hardest things is to market myself. So I don't know, I'm going to I'm going to be working on that. So in terms of content, that's what I looked at. I focused on what my content did for me last month, and it didn't do much. Did it get views? Yes, one of the videos actually went. Where is the ice plunge video in here? The ice plunge video went right there. The ice plunge video did so well. It's over 100k views right now, and I posted it last weekend. So I'm noticing that I'm very good at creating everyone content. Like I did the braids thing, it did well. I did the We Are Ugandans, it did so well. So I'm really good at creating general content. I just need to now small in the funnel. I don't know if that makes sense. Go down the funnel, because at the beginning of the funnel you have like cold traffic where everyone finds you. So people can find me from the ice plant, people can find me from all these things, but then I need to take it down further, like the next step and the next step and the next step, until I sieve out my ideal customer. So I feel like I'm putting all the things that I learned in marketing school into action, but now I'm being more intentional, because the old me used to be like, oh my god, I'm doing everything and it's not working. I wasn't doing everything, I wasn't doing this, but I wasn't analyzing how the things are working out for me. Anyway, I digress. The second part, I'm going to focus on 2 parts: content creation and health and wellness. I'm not doing so well with my health and wellness. There are 2 things I wanted to work on: working out and eating high protein. Oh, and water. 3 things. How am I doing with all of them? Let's just check, because, you know, we got the Becoming How 1% daily tracker. Okay, first of all, as you can see, all this stuff I'm doing so well. No phone, I need to be above 50, meditation and gratitude and all that stuff, so freaking good. Working out, I'm almost there. UGC applications, I did not do any this week, I was terrible with that. Instagram, whatever. TikTok, not so bad. Reading, I'm surprising myself that it's above 50. YouTube, it's not so bad, because I can't be uploading a video every day. However, if it's almost close to 50, for me it's not bad. Marketing my journal, 17.1%, that is terrible. Drinking water, 20%. Eating protein, 5.7%. Tracking my expenses, 34%. And overall it's 42.8. It's not the best, but it's better than the first week, which was at 5.7 overall. I'm doing better, but I could do better, and we're almost halfway the 12-week here, because I believe this is week 6, if I'm not mistaken. This is week 6, so we're already halfway the 12-week here. This is why I enjoy doing the 12-week here, because it keeps you on your toes. It's not the same as waiting for the end of the year. Anyway, I opened this to show you. So I have this page for Madame Day where I put all my ideas, like brain dump. And when I brain dump everything, as you can see. I just write a list, a running list, and every Sunday or Monday morning, I go through it and put the dates. The reason why this helps me is that I'm not looking at this as per se. When the week comes, I'm not looking at the things I have to do on my Notion. However, one thing, when you put the dates with Notion, what it helps, the way I did mine is that after brain dumping, when you go to get shit done, what happens is that all the things that are coming up, like right now there is nothing coming up here in brain dump, and why? But I haven't done any of those things. Okay, that's crazy, but basically, if you see this part here of updates, when it shows up on my phone, it shows up all the things that were pending that I had to do this week. So all this stuff, okay, maybe it's not showing up because it was all supposed to be done last week. And the way I set it up is that it shows everything that needs to be done this week. Oh yeah, that's why. So it's set up to show things that are due this week, and that's it. Everything that's after this week, it clears it out. But basically, if I go in and say, like, I want to, all these dates have passed, reward myself. So instead of reward myself, I did a video for that, but I want to create a rewards jar. And this video, I probably want it to be out. I go to the date and it's already 4th, and say I want it to be out, let's say Tuesday. Let's do a wins jar and a rewards jar. I don't know what I don't know where I'm going with this, but I'm just showing you. And then if I say I want to have this by Friday, let's say Friday at the end of the week. So you see, because I went through the content I want to upload, I know exactly when this stuff should be going out. I'm going to put Thursday. It's not going out this Thursday, but because it's from last week, I would like to, you know, keep working on that. I'm going to take expense tracking off because we did it. As you can see here, you have context, if it's recording, if it's UGC. One thing that I want to add in this is reason. Reason being, is it a UGC video? Is it a sales video? Is it a just normal video, like filler content? Because I have a lot of filler content. Like today I probably will post my tongue ring, stuff like this, because I don't feel like, you know, getting into it. But yeah. And then, now that we've done this, let's go see if it has worked out on the other end. Get shit done. That is why I didn't pick anything up, because I filtered to only things that are due this week. So that's what it shows. So if it's after this week, it doesn't show. However, if you see here on updates, it has all the things that I need to be working on and all the things that I missed. So if I missed anything, at least I'm not sweeping it under the rug, which is something that I used to struggle with before I start things and not finish them. This way I know what I started, and I'm going to close it. I'm going to close all the rings and get it done. Some of the things like my digital products, I can't promote them because I'm not done with the whole creation part, and because I'm not done, and oh shit, and now I think about it, I think I have to recreate them from the beginning, because I used to have them on TikTok at first, but I removed them and added them to my email so that when you buy, every day you receive a video of the day type situation. So every day you receive a video of the day type situation. Anyway, like I said, I don't want to bore you with all these details, which I feel like I'm going around in circles, but the thing I need to work on the most this week, I'm going to be very mindful about my protein intake. We've already started with a good food order, which I'm so excited about, to try out all the, 2 recipes that I wanted to try, because I'm leaving. I told you already that I'm leaving next weekend, so I don't want to order for the next meal until I come back from Toronto. My sister's gonna have a baby. Anyway, so this coming week I've been very intentional with the content I want to create. I'm not waiting for the day off, then I'm like, oh, what should I do today? No, I've been very intentional so that I can have a reason to why I'm posting everything. I'm going to be drinking more water. I'm going to be eating my protein. I'm going to be, what else, working out. Have I been working out? Yes, but I'm working out at least 3 times a week, which I know myself, 3 times a week for me is the bare minimum, okay? I know, I did 75 hard. I worked out twice every day, outdoor and indoor. I think that's why today my body was like, bro, you didn't work out since Wednesday, so I had to go and take a walk by force. My body was like, no girl, you gotta move. Anyway, so I'm going to be more mindful with my movement. I'm going to work out at least 4 times. I took my weight today and I wanted to see what the damage was since 75 hard till now, and the damage is again 2 kilos, but 2 kilos is not that bad. I wanted to lose 2 kilos the whole month. I instead gained 2 kilos, but for me it's not that bad. I'm going to work on that so that by the end of February I'm back to where I was at for 75 hard. And if I lose 2 more kilos by March 24th, which is when the 84th day like of the 12-week year will have been, I will have reached my goal. And that's going to be it. I encourage you to go through your goals and just see where you're at with your goals. I almost forgot one thing, habits. I've been so bad with habits. Yes, I've been good at not checking my phone every morning. I don't check my phone, but I sit down literally and wait for the 1 hour to pass instead of doing something more constructive, which is where I could be fitting in a workout and doing all that stuff, but I'm there in my bed like doing nothing. So I'm going to work on that. I'm also going to work on not hitting snooze, because as much as I do this no phone thing in the morning, I realize it's taking me nowhere if I'm not doing anything productive. So I want to wake up early. When my alarm goes off, I don't want to hit snooze. I don't know how that's going to go, but let's try. We'll see how the week goes. The reason why I'm so focused on my morning routine, because my morning routine determines the kind of work I put in during the day, especially on Monday and Wednesday, the days that I have to go to work. But anyway, even if it's not those days, it's very important for me to take charge of my mornings, because that way I will get all the 3 videos I want to post every day. I will get time to post all of them. But if I don't, then I have work, I have this. Like by the time I start my work day, every day it's like 12. Do you know what I could have done in those 6 hours? So much. So yeah, that's it for my rant. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I hope this has inspired you to take charge of your life, to take control of the things that you have control of, because we don't have control over results. We don't have control over if I apply to brands, if I'm going to get them. But my job is to apply every day. So I'm going to be more mindful of all these things. I don't have control of whether I lose weight or not, but my job is to move my body every day, to eat higher proteins, to drink water, and that's it. That's all I'm asking for, Sheila. Why don't you listen to yourself? Anyway, that's it. As always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.